Woke up this morning, the onions have sprouted. It's gonna be a beautiful day. It's a little crisp out here, but we're gonna get a lot done. I thought, until we had a visitor. Murphy came to the garden, but we never give up. Everything's buttoned up, and even though it's 17 degrees out here, I can see liquid water on the plastic. So our mini greenhouses, our raised beds, and our plastic cover seems to be working. The first thing I noticed this morning was the hot wire's been stretched. Something got tangled up in it. This charger worked real good for a while. I had to change the battery in it. It just doesn't seem to be doing the trick anymore. There's the telltale signs of something in here digging. I think it's a possum. They're after my earthworms. And since the onions are up, I thought today would be a great day to work in the greenhouse. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about the electric fence. I guess I'll put that on the list. But we were gonna work in the greenhouse today. And it says 40 degrees in here, but it should be a lot warmer. Just look what that heavy snow did. That seam right across that joist, it collapsed it. I've got no roof. I'm gonna have to repair that. I guess we'll put that on the list. But it's still a beautiful sunshiny day. The wind's not blowing very much, and we've got some mulch we can spread out. Oh. Well, my 30-year-old pitchfork. Well, it lasted quite a long time. Well, that's okay. I got a load on that wheelbarrow. We'll be able to spread something out. I'll make a new handle for this. We'll get her back in service. Wow, that's amazing. We ain't going very far with that. Even with the best laid plans, when Murphy shows up, it's a good idea to have a backup plan. Let's go ahead and get some leaves on that garden. Take a little look. Now that Swiss chard right there, it's gonna get awful cold tonight. Got down to 14 last night. Supposed to get down to 6 tonight. I'm gonna give a little bit of protection around the outside of this. It's amazing what one bag of leaves will do. A little bit more insulation, that ought to be good for tonight. When Murphy comes to visit your garden, all you can do is get out a pad and pen, start making notes. You know, there's always something to be done in the garden. Before I have to add something else to that list, I'm gonna go to the house and get a cup of coffee. Remember, you can do this too. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.